In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a voice clone in InVideo with AI twins. We're going to move smoothly from opening InVideo to confirming the setup for your voice clone, keeping everything simple and clear. Start by heading to the InVideo website in your browser. Give the page a moment to load fully so all features are available and responsive. It helps to use an up-to-date browser and a stable internet connection to avoid any hiccups as you navigate. Once you're in, create a new video. This action opens the main workspace and ensures you're inside the editor where the AI features live. You don't need to tweak anything else right now. The goal here is just to enter the environment where you can access the tools we need. Next, look for the AI Twins option in the interface. It's the feature designed to bring AI-driven capabilities into your project, and it's where the voice cloning tools are grouped. Click on AI Twins to open its panel. You'll see options related to voice and automation. From here, go to Create Voice Clone. This is the dedicated area for setting up your clone and confirming that you're ready to proceed. Before moving forward, you'll be presented with a series of checkboxes. Check all the boxes. These typically cover important confirmations such as consent, acceptable use, and ownership of the voice you're cloning. Take a moment to read each item so you understand what you're agreeing to. This step protects you and ensures the tool is used responsibly and ethically. If any language looks unfamiliar, pause briefly and make sure it aligns with your intended use. When everything is clear, make sure every required box is checked. Now, click on Looks Good. This is your confirmation that you've reviewed the information and are ready to proceed with the voice cloning setup. After you click, InVideo will finalize the initial configuration. If you see any on-screen notes or guidance, let them load and read them so you know what to expect next. The platform may show you status messages or brief tips about what happens after this confirmation. That's the essential flow. Go to InVideo, create a new video, click on AI Twins, go to Create Voice Clone, check all the boxes, and click on Looks Good. By completing these steps, you've prepared the environment for your voice clone within InVideo. Keep your usage ethical, stick to content you own or have permission to use, and you'll be set up for success in your next project.